Hello! In today's quick tutorial I will show you how you can return your items from Shein. So let's get started. You will go into your Shein app and you will go down below in the right corner in your Me section. After you click that, you will go by My Orders and click Shipped. I didn't order anything, so my page is empty, but if you did, you will have your item here. When you click on your item, you can request Shein to resend it back. After click it, you will get an email confirmation and you will be resent a recent label. You will print that label on your printer and paste it on your box from your item that you want to send back. Then you go to your post office. When you send it back to Shein, you will step again into contact with them when they send you an email, and you will get processed by the returns segment, so you can get your money back. And if you get it back, you will have it by your returns here. So guys, this is a quick step-by-step tutorial and information video how to return your orders on Shein. So if you find it helpful, please leave a like, and if you need something more, ask us in the comments or subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next one. Bye.